My dear students, welcome back to the class. Today I am teaching for the class 7th maths, that is fractions and decimals. In the previous class we studied about 2.3 and 2.4 exercise, isn't it? In 2.3 exercise we have solved that simplify the following expression, try to solve remaining problems, all problems you have to solve. Until that you will not get the and you will not understand that. Try to solve those sums. If you done correct, leave. If not, send to WhatsApp number, send that problem. If you are having any doubt in the, send to WhatsApp number. I will clarify your doubt, not on the spot. Later I will explain. Okay. See that in 2.4 exercise we have solved that addition and subtraction of the decimals, addition and subtraction of decimal numbers. Try to solve addition and subtraction is very easy. After that we have to put a point, only that much is there. Okay, next in today's class let us study about multiplication of decimals. Multiplication of decimal, try to solve the 2.5 exercise. In the 2.5 exercise I have taken F4 problems to explain for you. Okay, try to solve 2.5 exercise, that is very easy one. But we have to ignore the decimal point. After that, at last in the result we have to put a point. Already you have studied since from 5th standard. Try to solve the sums. Okay, see in your textbook, see on the board. See the first multiplication of decimals. In multiplication of decimal, the first problem, that is 43.67 into 3.8. The first problem, that is 43.67 into 3.8. Okay, here ignore the point, means neglect that, leave that first, leave the points first. First you multiply 4367 into 38, that is 38. Okay, multiply those two, at last we can put a point. Okay, 8 sevens are 56, 8 6 are 48, 48 plus 5. 48 plus 5, how much you will get? 53. 53. Next, 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 5, 29. 29. Next, 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 2, 34. Okay. Next, we have to multiply by 3. Put plus sign here. In the ones place, correctly we have to put plus sign. Okay, next by 3. 3 sevens are 21. Next 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 2. 18 plus 2, how much you will get? 18 plus 2, 20. 20. See, same we have to write same in the same places. We have to see the places. Don't write here like that. Okay, first we have to see the places and write correctly in the same places. Okay, next just now we have done 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 2, 20. Next 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 2, 11. Okay, next 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Now you add that. 6 plus 6. Next 3 plus 1, 4. 9 plus 0, 9. 4 plus 1, 5. 3 plus 3, 6. 1 as it is. Okay, we got the result, that is 1,65,000. 1,65,946. Isn't it? Here, after a point, 2 places are there. After a point, 1 place is there. Totally, after a point, 1 2 3. After a point, totally 3 digits are there, isn't it? Here after a point 2 digits are there, here after a point 1 digit is there. So after a point totally 3 digits are there. So here before 3 digit we have to put point. Here after a point 3 digits are there, so before 3 digit we have to put point. Then we got the exact answer, that is 165.946. First ignore that decimal point or neglect that, leave that decimal point. First you multiply, however you will multiply, no, multiply these two numbers. At the result, at the end of the result you can put point, then we will get a exact result, correct result. Okay, next is that second question, that is 458.111 into 10. See that the second question, that is 458.111 into 10. Okay, into 10. Here 10 ones are 10, 10 ones are 10, 10 plus 1 11. Next 10 ones are 10, 10 plus 1 11. Next 10 eights are 80, 80 plus 1 81. Next 10 fives are 50, 50 plus 8 58. Next 10 fours are 40, 40 plus 5 45. Okay, here after a point 1 2 3, 3 digits are there, isn't it? After a point 3 digits are there, so before point, here we have to put a point before 3 digits, means 1 2 3. Here we have to put point. I hope you understood that. Here first multiply this 458.111 with 10. Okay, first you multiply, at the end of the result here after a point 3 digits are there, so before 3 digit we have to put point. This is the final answer, that is 4581.110. Otherwise I will tell you easy calculation with by taking one more example, that is take it as a third example. Okay, here make it as a 4, here 5. Okay, here the third example you take it as 458.256 into 1000. Okay na, here into 100 you make first, into 100. Okay, one I will show you. In first main of 2.5 you can find the calculation easily. See that third example, that is 4856.256 into 100. Here first write the number as it is, only a numbers we have to write here, 4856, and the next numbers are 256. Okay, here after a point 3 digits are there, isn't it? Here 2 zeros are there, here 2 zeros are there, so we have to put a point after 2 digits here. Okay, here the point is there, isn't it? So sorry, point is here. Here we have to multiply by 100. So here 100 is having 2 zeros, so after 2 digits we have to put point. So we can read it as 4,85,625.6. I hope you understood this. See here also easy calculation. 458.111 is there, no? Here also we can multiply here. See, first write the numbers as it is. that is 45811. Okay, next the point is here. The point is here, isn't it? See, here only one zero is there, that is we have to multiply this number with 10. Here the 10 is having only one zero, so put a point after one digit. Very easy, no? This is a very easy calculation, very easy multiplication with 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, like that. We have to count the places, means the decimal point where it is, and then how many number of zeros are there. Okay, I hope you understood that. See, after here one zero is there, so we have to put a point after one place, after one digit. Here we have two, here two zeros are there, so after two digit we have to put point. I hope you understood that. And next, see, if it is with a 10,000, if it is with, we have to multiply with a 10,000, means how we have to calculate now? First we have to write the numbers as it is, that is 4856256, isn't it? First we wrote the numbers as it is. Next, here we have to multiply with a 10,000. Here we have to multiply with a 10,000. That is, the 10,000 consists of 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits, sorry, 4 zeros are there, isn't it? The point is here. The point is here. We have to put a point after 4 places. After 4 places means 1, 2, 3. Here there is no number. So what we have to write here? 0. Okay. Here is the point. So after 4 digits, we have to put point. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We can take here as a 0. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. After this, we can put point. We can take number of zeros here, but here in front of that 6 there is no number, so we can take number of zeros. After that, here is the point, so here 4 zeros are there, so after that point, after 4 digit we have to put point. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you will get the point. Okay, try to solve, try to multiply. Will you get this answer or not? Check at home and give reply to me. Okay, try to solve those 2.5 exercise. Okay, I hope you understood how to multiply easily. And the next fourth question is, the fourth one is 27.56443. Here there is a multiplication sign. 27.56 into 443. Multiply. It is very easy. 27.56 into 443. Okay. 3 6 18. Leave this point first. After the result, whatever we will get a result, no? Then we can put the point. Okay. 3 6 18. 3 5 15. 15 plus 1, 16. Next, 3 7 21. 21 plus 1, 22. 22. Next, 3 2 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Plus 4 6 24. 4 6 24. 4 5 20. 20 plus 2, 22. Next, 4 7 28. 28 plus 2, 30. Next, 4 2 8. 8 plus 3, 11. Next, put plus sign 2 times because we have to multiply with a third digit here. 3 6 24. Next, 4 6 24. 4 5 20. 20 plus 2, 22. Next, 4 7 28. 28 plus 2, 30. Next, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3, 11. Okay, first you add this all, 8, next 6 plus 4, 10, next 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 1, 9, next 8 plus 2, 10, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 as it is. Okay, here after a point 2 digits are there. Here there is no digit, isn't it? Sorry, here there is no decimal point. So here after a decimal point 2 digits are there. So before 2 digit we have to put point. I hope you understood how to multiply this decimal numbers with decimal numbers, or a decimal numbers with whole number, or a decimal number with 10 multiples of 10, isn't it? Multiples of 10 like 10 square, that is 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. How we have to multiply easily? I hope you understood that. Try to solve this fifth one at home. Okay, just now I have explained. If ignore that point first, ignore that point and multiply the numbers. Ignore that point, multiply the numbers first. Later, at last result, whatever you will get, in that result we have to put point. Here after a point 2 digits are there. Here after a point 2 digits are there. Means at the result before 4 digit, 1, 2, 3, 4. Before 4 digit we have to put point. Okay, I hope you understood how to multiply the numbers, how to multiply the decimal numbers with whole number and the decimal numbers with decimals. Okay, try to solve 2.5 exercise. 2.5 exercise first main is very easy, just now I explained. If you not understood, see once again how I have solved that. Okay, see once again how I have explained that, you will get how we have to solve, how you have to solve that first main and the second main. Try to solve that second main, and the third main is also very easy to multiply, and the fourth main, find the products. Product is nothing but the multiplication. Okay, and the fifth main, solve the following. Kanta worked 5.4 hours overtime at 25.42 per hour. Here Kanta worked totally 5.4 hours he have worked. Okay, overtime at 25.42 rupees per hour for 1 hour. For 1 hour, see, for 1 hour 25.42 rupees. Okay, for 1 hour 25.42 rupees means for 5.4 hours how much? Like this you write and multiply, you will get the answer exactly. Okay, for per hour means for 1 hour. For 1 hour 25.42 rupees means for 5.4 hours how many rupees he will get. Find out the, and the B mean, the television cost 5.28 rupees per hour to run. Here the television cost, to see the television per hour 5.28 rupees means how much will it cost to watch 3.45 hours. See, for 1 hour, just now I have explained. See, for 1 hour 5.28 rupees to see the television means to find for 3.45 hours. Okay, find how much amount he has to pay to see the television. Okay, and see the next, the C mean, in solve the following. The average speed of the enterprise enterprise is 521 light years per hour. How far did the ship sail in 0.325 hours? Find by multiplication. Multiply those two numbers, you will get the answer. Next, D main, calculate the area of the rectangular park with the dimension. They given area of the park, area of the rectangular park. Here the area of a rectangular park, area is the nothing but the multiplication of two sides, that is length into breadth. Here they given a length that is 153.75 meter and the breadth is 111.63 meter. Multiply those two numbers, you will get the result, length into breadth, area of rectangle. And the next one, E mean, find the cost of 55.8 kg of wheat if the cost of 1 kg of wheat is 27.74 rupees. Multiply those two numbers, you will get the cost of 27, you will get the cost of 55.8 kg of wheat. Okay, thank you dear students. Try to solve 2.5 exercise. Thank you.